Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you UTUA Loan Financial Credit App. So, in this case, you might be wondering, what is UTUA, the website and app that you may be hearing online? So, UTUA is not a lending company or a loan app. No. According to its official website here, UTUA is a financial education and comparison platform that helps users learn from financial products such as personal loans, credit cards, digital banks, and other financial services. Now, in this case, rather than issuing loans itself, UTUA provides articles, guides, and recommendations that direct users to partner financial institutions where they can apply for a loan. Now, one of the platform's main features is its collections of loan guides covering products from different banks and lending companies. Now, it also includes educational articles about personal finance, credit management, borrowing. Now, the website states that it uses a questionnaire to recommend financial products that may match the user's profile. Now, once users select a recommended loan here, they are redirected to the official website of the lending institution to continue the application. Now, UTUA also notes that it does not review, approve, or release loans and is not involved in the lending decision. Now, that's some important information that you should know. Now, that's directly from them. Now, using UTUA is quite straightforward here. You just need to visit the official website and browse the available loan guides or use its recommended tools, read the information about the different loan products, and compare the available options, and select the one that best fits your needs. Now, when you're ready to apply, click the recommended loan, and you'll be taken to the official website of that financial institution. Of that bank or lending company. Now, from there, you'll complete the application directly in their financial institution, which is responsible for processing and approving and even releasing the loan if you qualify. Now, the platform itself, it's actually free to use. Now, according to UTUA, it does not charge users for accessing its articles, comparison tools, or loan recommendations. Any interest rates, loan amounts, fees, and repayment terms depend entirely on the financial institution you ultimately apply with, not on UTUA. Now, that's essentially how UTUA works. Now, it serves as a financial information comparison platform that connects users with banks and lending companies instead of acting as a lender itself. Loan approvals, requirements, and payouts are handled solely by the financial institution you choose. Now, if you're interested in using UTUA to find a loan, doing your own research is always recommended. Now, looking at information from the official lender, carefully reviewing the loan terms here, interest rates, and repayment conditions, and comparing multiple providers can help you make a more informed financial decision. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.